Shining, 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 yeah. Shining. Hello, beautiful people. So wow. It's so wow. It's so wow. What's up, beautiful people? It's Akeyachic here. Today I'm going to be following the trend like everybody and their mama, but I actually enjoy watching these videos. I'm going to be doing Patricia Bright, as you can tell from the title. Reason I chose Patricia Bright is because she's kind of a beauty guru, but she's more like fashion lifestyle. So I know she doesn't do like that many bold looks. I'm the same type of girl. I like to keep it neutral. I like to keep it very simple. So that's the reason why I chose Patricia. I love Patricia so much. I've been watching her videos for forever. This is the look that I got from watching her video. It's so wow. So wow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned. Yeah, bye. So I'm gonna screen record on my phone and I'm gonna just look up Patricia Bright makeup tutorial and see what comes up. The affordable everyday makeup drugstore.
Welcome to my channel. Today I have this look for you, my go-to look on a regular basis, because I don't have time to always switch up my look or do anything dramatic, and it is affordable because I know you guys have been asking me to do more looks that are affordable. So yeah, I absolutely love this look. I feel like with my brown hair I kind of have to be a bit more careful with what kind of looks I do, but this one is spot on now because I put my moisturizer on. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a primer. Now at the moment my eyebrows need to work.
Doing her eyebrows.
They haven't been threaded in a while, but I feel like I'm trying to grow them out a bit.
She just started by brushing them up.
Brow Artist Shaper, and the color I'm using is brunette. What I like about this color is that it's not.
So she's using a pencil and like this. I don't know. I don't use pencil. So yeah, I'm just using the e.l.f. brow kit. I'm using the cream because the powder like fell out. So yeah, and it's in the color medium.
On my eyebrows. So next, these are affordable. These are from Superdrug. These are the Pro Artist Longwear. I think they're.
She's using concealer. I don't have that concealer she's using, but I have the LA Girl and the color Fine. So yeah, I'm gonna just use that. And she's using like the angle brush, and I got an angle brush as well. She just puts it all over, like she does it like this. Concealer next.
And it's very similar to the
people keep texting me
as well. Sometimes I find the LA Girl a little bit drying. So
puts on concealer underneath her eyes and on top of her eyes. I didn't see the date of this video, so this probably been something she did back in the day, because I don't think she does this anymore. But and then she blends it out. What in the world, Patricia?
So I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Cover, and so many of you guys have told me that you've seen the ad. Hey, I also posted it on my Instagram page, and obviously I'm a L'Oreal ambassador. It's so amazing to be part of the team. They're an amazing team. It's an amazing brand.
You go, girl.
Yeah, I basically got to try the new, very easy to use. Obviously it has a weightless feel, even though it's quite.
So I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty because that's the only foundation I got right now. So
areas down here to areas up here, it kind of gives me a bit more like that. What I found though when I'm applying it, I like to use something that has a flat head.
So she's only brush I have close to that is this stippling brush.
There are days where I need this, and I know a lot of people were messaging me that they weren't able to find the color on the launch day. Hopefully you should be able to find those now. I actually did speak to the team. I left them a message and they said that they would be dealing with that. So the great thing about being an ambassador is that I get to, you know, speak to the guys, voice concerns and just and voice questions that you guys have.
Coverage. Naturally, I'm just going to blend out my brows a little bit more and just conceal down my nose.
Concealer, and I'm going to use this to contour the color.
I got one of those.
Cocoa.
I'm in mahogany though. Mahogany is kind of too dark for me.
This one's just a little bit warmer.
So she used Sacha Buttercup. I have the Ruby Kisses. I don't really like this. It gives me flashback, but this is the only setting powder that I have. So we're just gonna use it. And she said she was setting her eyes. I guess she used the Buttercup and then she didn't really say. Whatever. Let's keep going.
Department here, but this is my favorite current eye look. I basically just put a wash of orange on my eye, and yeah, this is like my favorite orange to go to.
Okay, so she's using like this orangey color, but I got the BH Cosmetics palette. I think this little eyeshadow set that I got may work better. Just using any brush. She didn't really say what brush she's gonna use, but I'm gonna use this color right here and put that on my eye. And of course it doesn't show up. So I put on the orange, but it took me forever and it's still not as pigmented. And hers looking a little red. It's like a auburn color, but I was putting it on and it wasn't coming out, y'all. So, and I'm getting like a lot of fallout, like, yeah.
And that orange is just a really flattering color.
It doesn't look the
just
same
like
on
to use a fluffy
me.
brush and just put it all in, basically. And if I'm gonna be extra, I add a little bit of this high pigment from Kiko.
I got this highlighter from e.l.f. I think it matches.
And L'Oreal also have these eye paints. This is a color called Breathtaking Brown, which I really like because it's like a liquid. It's very creamy, so it can be quite precise when you apply it, but then it dries really matte. So I haven't been wearing that.
So I don't have that. I don't have nothing similar to that. Never felt that emotion, never had that emotion, but I'm gonna take this flat top, I guess, brush, and I'm gonna try to do the same things that she did. And I'm using a cream.
And I really feel like this definitely makes my eyes.
I got the e.l.f. mascara.
So much fuller and thicker and flirtier, and it probably because it has a fiber effect as well. I'm just gonna get.
So she put it on. People keep texting me. She put it on her top and bottom lashes. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Wait. Okay, she done dusted it off. We still got this powder on, so out now.
This powder off, and I've been using the Ambi Rose brushes. She's got a new set of brushes, which I really like. So I actually look very matte right now. As you can see, it's got a full coverage look. So I'm gonna add a bit of highlight and a bit of dupe to myself. Do you know what? I'm actually just going to go ahead and use that Kiko
I'm
to
using
highlight
this.
because why not?
Same.
Right, so I'm just gonna add some blush. I'm gonna use
highlighter.
the L'Oreal Infallible Blush Paints, and I'm going to use the peach.
So I have the e.l.f.
so good
blush. This is kind of
unbelievable how
peachy.
it smells. Cute. So I'm just gonna line my lips with a brown line.
Patricia, you're going too
And then just
fast.
some extra gloss.
She lines her lips with brown. I don't have a brown pencil, but I have that cream. Ooh, my lips are chapped, boy.
Brown liner. And then I'm gonna go in the lip paint lacquers. Also,
I have this
from
NYX
L'Oreal.
lip cream that I'm gonna use. It might be
And
too
then
bright.
just some extra gloss, I'm going to go in with the Kiko Milano. These are the Hydra lip glosses, which has made everything pop a little more. Funny enough, I haven't even put on eyelashes.
Okay, this is too bright.
Wow. Okay guys, so somehow my camera stopped working, but this is my finished look. Affordable, quick and easy to do for every day. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you soon. Bye. Hi guys.
This is too bright. But hey, we're gonna go with it. So she then applies eyelashes. So I apply my eyelashes, and this is the finished look. What should be saying? It's a wow. It's a wow. It's not horrible. Like, I could walk outside, but when you look up close, the eyeshadow is not really blended out, and that could be because yeah, my eyeshadow isn't good, so that could be what had happened. But the gloss, was too bright for me. Yeah, but yeah, it actually doesn't look that bad. I never baked before, so the baking actually looks good. I haven't did a flash test. Maybe I should do that and see how it looks. But I don't think Patricia did a bad job. That concealing before foundation, that was a new one. I think the video was recorded a long time ago, so yeah. But what do you guys think? How did I do? But yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.